It is an opportunity to celebrate the biggest tax reform since independence, which has replaced Congress' legacy tax with a good and simple tax, he said in a Facebook post. Arun Jaitley Union Minister Arun Jaitley on Friday said the GST has replaced the Congress legacy tax, which was 31% for most goods, with a good and simple tax, adding that the existing 28% slab will be phased out following further improvement in revenue collections. It is an opportunity to celebrate the biggest tax reform since independence, which has replaced Congress' legacy tax with a good and simple tax, he said in a Facebook post. The pre-GST tariff was a Congress party legacy. The standard rate for central excise plus VAT plus GST, central sales tax, was 12%, 14%, 2%. To this, if the cascading effect of tax on tax was added, the eventual tax payable on a commodity was 31%. Items of household use, from mineral water, hair oil, toothpaste, soap, dairy, to construction material and white goods, were all taxed at 31%. The total number of goods falling in this category was 235. This 31% tax was Congress Party's gift imposed on India. This tax was the Congress legacy tax, he said. The minister added that the day GST was implemented, several items earlier proposed to be put in the 28% category, where the 31% items were adjusted, were brought down to 18%. Within a record period of 13 months, the GST Council has almost phased out the 28% category. It is only a matter of time that the final obituary of the Congress legacy tax is written. Only the luxury sin tax would remain, Jaitley said. Around 177 items were shifted from the 28% slab on November 10, 2017 and another 15 items on July 21 this year. If the entire category of all the slabs is taken, the past 1 year has seen reduction of tax in 384 commodities with no increase on a single product. India has never witnessed such mass tax reduction since independence. Lesser rates and higher collection is the result, the minister said. He added that bulk of the items remaining in the 28% category were luxury items or sin goods. The other items outside the luxury sin goods category are cement, air conditioners, large-screen televisions and a handful of others. Hopefully, with further expansion of revenues, these few items may also witness a change of category, he said. Similarly, in the services category, which has now become a part of the GST, on 4 different occasions 68 different categories of services have witnessed their rates reduced. The net revenue loss which the government has suffered on account of the reduction of tax on goods and services is about 70,000 crore rupees, he added. Jaitley said the revenue burden was entirely borne from the share of the central government since state governments had been guaranteed a 14% increase over their pre-GST revenues for the first 5 years. Also read, Rafale controversy, Congress has inadequate leader, so creating fake issues, says Arun Jaitley. Catch up on all the latest crime, national, international and Hatki news here. Also download the new Midday Android and iOS apps to get latest updates. This story has been sourced from a third-party syndicated feed agencies. Midday accepts no responsibility or liability for its dependability, trustworthiness, reliability and date of the text. Midday Management/mid-day.com reserves the sole right to alter, delete or remove without notice the content at its absolute discretion for any reason whatsoever.